Learn with Discord Me. Talk to people through audio and video. Not only can you communicate with people through text, but you can do it with audio and video as well. The first step is to set up your devices, if Discord didn't detect them automatically. Click on the Settings button and go to Voice and Video. Here you will be able to set your mic, your speakers, your webcam, and whether your mic uses push-to-talk or voice detection. Once you're all set here, it's time to start talking. In servers, you can only use voice chat in a dedicated voice channel. These will have a speaker symbol rather than a pound sign next to them. They will also indicate who is currently in the room, so you can see if you're joining an empty one. Once in a chat room, you can just start talking. Just be sure to click the disconnect button when you want to leave. Starting a voice call with friends is easy too. From your direct message room, just click on the phone symbol. They will get an alert to join the call, and then you can start talking. If you have webcams, you can choose a video call instead. Regardless of which you're in, you can always choose to share your screen. And of course, just like a normal text chat, you can add multiple people to the call. Perfect for clan communication or business team meetings. If you want to mute yourself in a call, just click the mute button. If you're ever unclear about if you're muted or not, look for a green circle around your profile picture in the call. If there is a green circle when you talk, then your voice is being picked up. That's all about how to communicate in Discord. In the next video, we'll talk about the visual reminders that Discord gives you.